What?
Send a picture to
I posted it on Facebook, a video. Had to go on Facebook with the video. Oh shit. Oh, it's really catching fire now.
What?
It's really catching fire over there.
Yeah, there's something around on the fire.
Wow, I think it's pretty much on fire right now. Look at it.
Yeah. It's so hot.
How the hell? Is there anybody in that house?
I'm sure they're in the house.
Then we can start getting a little dangerous over there.
No, because the concrete, it really can't burn. You can't catch on fire.
Wow, there's a nice tree right there.
I can't hear you. What?
There's a nice tree over there that can catch on fire. It's getting a little